Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites that matter: power, firmware, and a safe workspace. Plug the widget into a 5V power source. Once the LED pulses, press the activation button for 3 seconds to enter setup mode. Make sure you have the connector cable and manual nearby because you'll need to reference port labels. While the device boots, check firmware version on the label. Updating later prevents conflicts. Now move directly into pairing. Don't delay, because early connections avoid rework. Once paired, you configure core settings. In the app, choose Wi-Fi 2. 4 GHz, enter your network password, then assign a descriptive name so you can find the widget later. Make sure to set permissions for notifications. This is why alerts reach you instantly. Next, calibrate sensors, place the widget flat, start auto-calibration, and wait for confirmation. If prompts ask for location or time zone, complete them now, as accurate context improves measurements and automations downstream. You finish by validating everything works. Run a diagnostic to check connectivity, sensor accuracy, and response time. Save your final settings and create a backup configuration so restoring is fast if needed. Test a real use case to confirm behavior. Once done, observe logs for anomalies. If something fails, reboot the widget first, then repair it. Make sure your router is on the 4 GHz band. This is the most common fix. Keep the manual handy for deeper fault codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.